All right, guys, today's video is gonna be about stacking bars. That's right, stacking bars. They are one of the cheapest ways to add physical weight to your stack. Stay right there. I'll be right back. All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, like I said in the intro, we're going to talk about some bars, and I'm going to give you a deal that is out there on bars if it's not already sold out by the time you watch this. Now, I did make a community post about it with a link. I will also put that down in the description of this video so you guys can go check it out and you can jump in on that deal. Now, that deal posted before I already went to the LCS, but that's okay. I'm fine with it. I didn't pay too much more than what that deal was for, so it's all good for me, okay? And I wanted to add a little bit more weight, so that's fine. So Silver Gold Bull, they're doing a 10-ounce silver at spot deal for bars. That's right, 10 ounces at spot. You can't beat that. You can't find that anywhere. So applause to Silver Gold Bull for bringing that back. Thank you, guys. That is wonderful. Anytime a bullion company will do that, I will give you some kudos. So thanks for bringing that back out, guys. Really appreciate that. Now, like I said, I went to my LCS today. Wanted to go get me some bars. And silver bars right now are probably, and these came in these plastics. I can't stand them in this. I know I'm going to get a capsule for them. Let me go ahead and just get that out of the way because it just takes away from the look and the feel of the bar. So I'm going to do away with it because it's irrelevant to me. But silver bars are probably your best bet as far as adding physical weight to your stack right now. Now, me personally, I prefer the coins, to be honest with you. But as far as your silver bars goes, I mean, it's hard to beat them right now. It really is, because your coins are so overpriced. It's difficult, you know what I mean? So buying bars right now, especially the ones that I like to buy the ones that are well known, the ones that are recognized, like the RCM bar right here in front of you and this Kilo Metal Ore bar right there. Those are well known bars, okay? The Englehards, A-Marks, all well known stuff. Even though these are considered generics, those particular bars carry a nice premium to them. So whenever you do go to sell, they're highly sought after. They're highly coveted. You know what I mean? Because even though you may not be a bar fanatic, there's tons of people out there that are. So whenever you are buying your bars, you want to buy with the ones that are recognizable. Now, if you're just stacking weight just to stack weight, there's nothing wrong with that. But me personally, I'm always looking at what I can get for it down the road, what my base is going to be whenever I do want to go ahead and liquidate some of my stack. So that's why I purchase things the way that I purchase them. Now, I did pick up 20 ounces today, like I said, from my LCS. And here you go. Here's one of them. It is a 10-ounce Britannia bar. Now, it's probably one of the better looking bars out there, bar none. It is gorgeous, gorgeous bar. I have to be careful because it is very, very reflective. Beautiful bar, like I said. Smooth edges, pretty good. I do like these bars. So another one that I picked up, and you can see it's got the plastic on there. And like I said, man, I can't stand that stuff. It just looks terrible. So let me go ahead and cut it on out of there. All right, so got it all cut out. Now, I have to be extremely, like I said, I have to be extremely careful with this because it is so reflective. My goodness. Let's see if I could do this without getting caught or without having to do some more editing. So there you go, right there. Beautiful bar. And this was actually in the generic bin, both of them at my LCS. So I got a good deal on them. So I went ahead and walked out of there with it. Just couldn't pass it up. Both of them were in there. These are very, very sought after bars. Like I said, beautiful bars, man. Well done from the Royal Mint. So there you go, 10 ounces. And the only thing that I don't like about these is that they are not serialized like your RCM bars. So you don't know how many was minted. You don't know what year it's from, any of that. So as far as collectability, there really isn't anything you can, zero it in on as far as your mintage or whatnot. So let's do this. Let's turn it like that. And like I said, I'm going to get a couple capsules for it. I just hate those plastic bags. I know a lot of people say, oh, don't take them out of there, you're going to ruin the collectability. It doesn't matter, man. It's just bullion, really. Another thing that I did pick up today is I couldn't leave out of there without getting some gold. So, yeah, I did pick me up some gold, man. Not a whole lot, just a little bit, just to get the... And that is a 2000 American Gold Eagle. Yes, sir. Welcome home, buddy. And walked out of there for 210 on this. Pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. These are very hard to come by, and if you do find them, they're getting up there. They're getting in that 220, 230 range all day, every day. So I actually have a capsule for this. So if you are in the market for gold, if you do have an LCS, I highly suggest you visit your LCS before you buy gold, because they can get gold in faster and cheaper than your major bullion dealers can, because they're gonna have to pay, whoever to get that in, whereas your LCSs always have that foot traffic coming and going. So they may be able to give you a better deal on your gold if you are still in the market for buying gold. So I would definitely go visit your LCS if you are in the market for any type of gold. And also I would go and visit them for anything, to be honest with you, because at my LCS, I just get better deals. I know it's not everybody, but like I said, I get good deals. And do not forget to take advantage, if you are in the market for some silver, do not forget to take advantage of that deal from Silver Gold Bull. Hopefully this sparks some more bullion companies to go ahead and do what they used to do, because I know they got product in their stores. I know they have it. So it's time to bring it on back, guys. It's time to bring it on back. So let's try to get these guys to bring down these premiums, man. People are paying plenty of money for this stuff. So it's time to go ahead and rein it on in, guys. And if you are picking up bars, guys, there's 1 ounce versions, there's 5 ounce versions, there's 10 ounce versions, there's kilos, there's 100 ounce bars, you name it. There's tons of different bars you can get into. Now, me personally, I don't really do the 1 ounce bars. I just got these. I got this out of the Yankee box, and I bought these two because I just wanted them in my stack just for collection purposes. But I think 10 ounce bars and kilos are the way to go for me as far as me buying bars. And then these big coins right here, I bought these, as you guys know, I brought them out before. I bought these on the dip. I got them for cheap, man, cheap, dirt cheap. I paid $3.60 for both of them. And then that kook I bought not long ago, I paid a little bit more for that, but I think that coin's going to do well because it is a 10 ounce coin and it's a lower mintage. So that's why I jumped on that. So I think down the road, since it is that 30-year kook, I think that's going to do really well down the road. So that's going to do it for today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. I will be glad to help you guys out. And don't forget, guys, keep grinding on your stack.